Carson bought 39 candy bars for $65.91. How much did each candy bar cost? So we're going to divide $65.91 divided by 39. There's no decimal in my divisor, so I don't need to move anything around. I'm just going to put one up at top. 39 doesn't go into 6, but it'll go into 65 one time. 39 times 1 is 39. Subtract, and I'll do some borrowing. 15 minus 9 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2, and I'll carry down my 9. 39 would go into 659, or 269. See, 39 is close to 40. It would go in about 6 times. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. 6 times 3 is 18, plus the 5 would be 23. Subtract, I get 35, which works. It is smaller than 39. I'm going to bring down that 1. 39 would go into 351. Let's see, 8 or 9 times. Let's try 9 times. 9 times 9 is going to be 81. Carry the 8. 3 times 9 is 27, plus the 8 is 35. So that's exact. So $1.69 is how much each candy bar costs. And if I want to check my answer, I can always go back and multiply to check. 9 times 9 is 81. 6 times 9 is going to be 54, plus the 8 is 62. 1 plus 9 is going to be 9, plus that is 15. Moving on to my next place value, 3 times 9 is 27, carry the 2. 3 times 6 is going to be 18, plus the 2 is 20, carry the 2. 1 times 3 is going to be 2, plus the 2, plus 3, plus the 2 is 5. When I add these up together, I get 6591. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I'll match that, and it does match. So $1.69 was the cost of each candy bar.